dog's face. I had a bowl full of Cheetos. Where did it go? I don't know. I don't know. Dog, do you know?
Look at me nose.
And the dog answers me with an orange mouth and nose. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. What happened to your Cheetos?
He knows that you're talking about him.
Eating them French fries off my plate. Don't leave the food on the coffee table. Dog will eat it. The dog will eat it. The dog will eat it. The dog will eat it. He ate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. He hate it. Don't eat it. My food. Don't eat it. You fool. I pity. I pity.
I pity the fool. I pity the fool. Oh, dude, you just straight drove him off with that shit. He's like, I'm not going to be around you guys. Oh, man. I wish I got the earlier stuff he said.